baby alive.
Hi guys, we're here today with a haul from Walmart. I only have one thing, but it is another Brushy Brushy baby from Walmart. I got this at their Super Thursday sale. It's the Brunette version. She's really cute. She's just like our other Brushy Brushy babies, but she is brunette. And so I thought we could go ahead and open her up today. Let's open her up. Oh, she's so cute, guys. So here she is. She's got little ponytails. Aren't they cute? So I thought we would take her out. Everything she comes with. She came with a diaper. This is one of the newer Baby Alive diapers. And it's in a little package. So here's her diaper. Here's her little toothpaste. When you squeeze the bottle, see how the toothpaste comes out? Isn't that cool? She came with a little Baby Alive sippy cup. Opens up and you can put water in. So cute. She also came with this little toothbrush. When you push up on the little button, see how the bristles rotate? Isn't that cool? And here she is. She has little ponytails on each side and little bangs. She's super cute. And I've been getting a lot of questions like, why are they bringing this baby back? Because as you can see, she is from 2013. This was just a special that Walmart had over the holiday on Thanksgiving Day. They sold these as a special sale. So I don't think they're bringing them back, but maybe they are. I just think it was a special sale with Walmart. So let's go ahead and put her diaper on. And she fits her diaper perfectly. Doesn't it look cute? Let's put her pants back on. And pull her little shirt down. There she is. She's ready to eat. I have a bottle of water. I'm going to open it up. And we can fill her little sippy cup like this and put the lid back on her cup. Look at how cute she is. Okay, we have her toothbrush. Isn't that really cool? Let's go ahead and put some toothpaste on. And now we can brush her little teeth. Brush her teeth. Oh, look how pretty they look. Okay, let's rinse her mouth out really good. We'll put her bottle in and squeeze. We gotta rinse our mouth good. She likes that. Look how pretty her teeth are. Want some more? She's drinking her cup good. Do you think her teeth look clean? Lay back so you can drink all the rest of it. She likes that. Is that good, baby girl? You got some water on your mouth. One more drink. her water's all gone. Alright, let's check her diaper. Lay back, baby girl. We're gonna check your diaper. Take off her little pants. Her diaper feels smushy. Let's see if you made a pee-pee in your diaper. Let's pull the tape. It looks so cute. All right, time to put your pants back on. Where's your toes? There they are. Now she's all ready for bed. Okay, baby girl, let's get you in bed. Here's her little crib. Let's lay her down. Aw, doesn't she look sweet? Let's put on a little blankie. Aw, night night, baby girl. Sleep tight. Aw, she looks so cute. Do you guys like her? If you do, give her a big thumbs up. And share this video with your friends. And go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thanks for watching. Say bye.